Afrikaans word of the day. Grondboontjie botter. Peanut butter. But wait, why? This translates directly to ground bean butter. Grondboontjie botter. But where are the beans? And where is the ground? Actually, peanuts are not a real nut. They are a legume. So they belong in the bean family. That's why we get the idea that it could be a bean or a boontjie in Afrikaans. Moreover, peanuts actually grow underground. So that's where the grond part of the word comes from. Grondboontjie botter, quite literally, butter from a bean that grows under the ground. Did you enjoy this micro lesson? If you like my style and you want to learn Afrikaans with me as your teacher, you can click the link in my bio to book your first lesson.